Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 9 Screencast video. So we're on the downside of the semester. As we begin Unit 3, we really only have about 8 more weeks, not even that, left to the semester. So it's going to move along quickly. As we begin Unit 3, I want to make a point here because this is our proposal unit. So as I say, as we begin the second half of the semester, Unit 3 is where we begin with a discussion about the purpose of higher education. Often now, the real purpose of an education, college education, gets lost in the struggles of the day-to-day routine of completing homework, quizzes and tests, projects, speeches, and yes, even essay assignments. Not to mention paying tuition and the cost of books. On top of all of that, I say, we have a pandemic that has transformed the way professors teach and students learn. According to the medical experts in science, widespread vaccine coverage is not anticipated until third quarter of 2021, all of which means that a return to pre-pandemic campus life might take quite a while. Okay, so I'm anticipating a robust discussion moving forward. So our schedule for the week is we're going to be moving into a couple of discussion board posts, and I'll go over discussion board 10 and 11, and this may run a little bit long for the screencast. I usually like to keep them short, but there is a bit of material to cover because the proposal unit is it's a very complicated unit because we're going to be using outside sources and doing research and putting together the proposal argument for SA3. All right, so let's get over to the modules. I am not going to move module 2 down to the bottom of the screen until sometime in the week. So be aware of that. Module 3 has been opened up. So just to take a look at the overview and the objectives real quickly, right? Of all the academic genres, the proposal relies on the rhetorical situation for its structure and content. From a research proposal to an argument, understanding the varied structures and relationships found in the academic proposal is an effective tool for both your college courses and beyond. So this is a proposal argument, and we'll go through the structure on this. It's structured much like SA2 is structured. Okay, whether it's solving a problem, providing a solution, or announcing the purpose and scope of a research topic, the proposal demonstrates your ability to communicate in any situation. I teach a proposal assignment in my workplace writing over at the College of DuPage. So the objective here is to describe a manageable problem of consequence. Now that means of consequence, means that it affects a lot of people, not just you. That allows you to explore convincing solutions. So let me be clear on what a proposal argument is. You identify a problem, prove the seriousness of that problem, and then you have to provide solutions or way to solve that problem. Okay? So you want to identify the rhetorical situation where a proposal argument is appropriate or required, and demonstrate the seriousness of the problem, and then the proposed solutions utilizing strong evidence. So you will use sources to support your assertion that your problem is serious and it needs to be fixed, and you're going to propose solutions. So you have to think of what solutions are going to be there to solve your problem, and then use evidence, find evidence to support your solutions. All right, so this is an argument essay. Okay, so let me get to the next page. I believe we should have the readings and research. So here, discussion board number 11 later in the week is a discussion about 2 articles. Charles Murray's article, Should the Obama Generation Drop Out, is always an interesting read. And Sanford Unger and his article, 7 Major Misperceptions About the Liberal Arts. All of these links should take you to the PDF here that's uploaded to Canvas. As usual, the Rhett Comp Warrior textbook link is here. Chapter 4, the proposal of the pages we'll be working in, and then also student examples of the proposal argument. Also in this particular reading and research section, learning materials, I have some links to a GDoc. Let me see if I can pull that up. Yes, about some of the links to find sources in the Moraine Valley Library. I'll have a link to the Ask a Librarian page in the library, and then I've got a YouTube video, Moraine Librarian Prepared to Access Digital Materials. So I have research and readings, the resources you will need to be successful here. So let me see if I can get to the discussions. All right, this is just to get you going on an idea of what we're going to be what we're going to be writing at the end of the unit, the proposal essay. So here I talk about, to get the conversation started, I'm asking for your initial post and discussion board 10. Reflect on the good and not so good experiences in higher education. No doubt COVID-19 has changed how we will experience learning in college, but take a moment to think about all the other components in negotiating college. What's been a problem? This can be anything from cost to working or even finding a quiet place to study at home. So this is identifying a problem. Now, I want to be clear now, this is not a complaint board, okay? Homework is a part of college, writing essays is a part of college, all of that is part of college. So what I'm looking for is a way for everyone to discuss what's some real problems, the serious problems that really affect a wide variety of students in attending college. Could be cost, could be even referring to what it's like to be at a four-year residential college. It could be the idea of attending a community college. Whatever it is, look and see what you and even maybe your family have struggled with in trying to really move through the college experience. All right, so that's one discussion board number 10. Let's get to discussion board number 11, which is the discussion between Murray and Unger. Murray talks about how many students are just not capable of attaining a college degree. They lack the skill set to even do and read some of the work that's really kind of required in college. And you might find his article to be a little bit offending, but that's his position. This is academia. We turn around and we talk about the things. On the other hand, Unger kind of disputes Murray's argument by illustrating the benefits of a liberal arts college education. Interesting read. You can put the two in a discussion together. So it's a lengthy post for discussion board 11. It's 300 to 350 words. So you're going to want to make sure that you read and work on those two articles for discussion board number 11. So let me get back over to the module again. Let's see here, scroll down. Just to give a quick look at the targeted assessment is the proposal argument. So the topic should be, for writing the proposal argument, you should have experience so far in attending a problem that you have experienced so far in attending a community college or a problem in higher education as a whole. What is the problem? What should be done about it? So I'm asking you to write a proposal essay by integrating outside sources to help solve a problem you care about in higher education. You can use personal experiences as academic evidence. Now, let me be clear on this. This is not a narrative about your struggles. This is a proposal argument. So you can use your experience as academic evidence, but then you have to move on and keep within the structure of the proposal argument. All right? So you want to establish the seriousness of the problem, justify solutions over certain alternatives, and you have to have 3 outside sources. Standard MLA citation is required. You will be required to have a works cited page, and your citations need to be completed according to MLA guidelines. All right, so this is a lengthy essay. All right, let me get to the essay assignments. Do I have the textbook up here? Let me get to the modules in the textbook. If I can do that real quick. Just to give you an idea where we're at on that, you will find all the information in the textbook also. Hopefully this will load quickly. As usual, I am uploading this and recording this on Sunday night. So please, just a reminder that your essays, Essay 2 is due. Let's see, target assessment here in the textbook. All righty, all right, he'll cover this in a little bit more in depth. Now this, this is going to be a little bit different of an essay assignment, so I want to make sure everybody's clear about the proposal argument. You may want to read this through as you go through the unit, or I should say the module. All right, so target assessment. Oh, this is the summary. Sorry. There we go. Target assessment. Here we go. The instructions. So this particular essay, Essay 3s, okay, must be 1,250 to 1,500 words. It's a longer essay than the previous two, so Remember, this will affect the qualifying draft for the peer review process. All right, now I have it all together. Sorry, I was in the wrong unit that way. All right, just to let everybody know, this week we do have 2 discussion boards. Responses, I believe, are due on Sunday. Yep. All the responses are due on Sunday. Be sure that you're always able to return and get those responses done if you don't do them when you make your initial post. Sometimes I think out of sight is out of mind, and some students miss their responses. All right. If you have any questions about this unit or about SA2 submissions, be sure to send me an email. And once again, nobody's coming to visit during office hours. So I have been online on WebEx every day other than the day I had to cancel between 9 and 11. If there is a particular time that works out for everybody else that is an aggregate within my work schedule, I would be more than happy to adjust the times to make it later. But the way you can get some individual help is to visit during office hours. There's many posts in the announcement section about links to that WebEx session. So that being said, good luck, stay safe.